How do I install Chrome on Roku?
Welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll be tackling a commonly asked question. How can I install Chrome on Roku? Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, you can't directly install Google Chrome or any other traditional web browser on your Roku device. However, you can still cast or mirror your Chrome browser from another device onto your Roku. Let's dive into this workaround.
Do I need any special equipment or apps?
Before we get started, let's talk about what you'll need. First, you need a Roku device and a device with Google Chrome installed, like a laptop or a smartphone. You'll also need to make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You don't need to install any special apps on your Roku device, but you will need to make sure that screen mirroring is enabled.
How do I enable screen mirroring on Roku?
Enabling screen mirroring on Roku is quite simple. 1. Go to the home screen on your Roku device. 2. Scroll down and select Settings. 3. In the Settings menu, navigate to System. 4. In the System menu, find and select Screen Mirroring. 5. Set Screen Mirroring Mode to Prompt or Always Allow. This will enable screen mirroring on your Roku device.
How do I cast Chrome to my Roku device?
Once you've enabled screen mirroring on Roku, you can cast Chrome from your device. From a computer 1. Open Chrome and click on the 3 dots in the top right corner. 2. Select Cast from the drop-down menu. 3. A list of available devices will appear. Select your Roku device from the list. From an Android device 1. Open the Google Home app. 2. Tap on the Cast My Screen button at the bottom. 3. A list of available devices will appear. Select your Roku device from the list. And that's it. Though you can't directly install Chrome on your Roku device, you can still share your Chrome screen with your Roku device using these steps. We hope this guide has been helpful and has enhanced your Roku experience. Stay tuned for more handy guides and tips.